In this PS5 tips and tricks video, I'm going to show you how to use the new PlayStation 5 1440p video output feature. The new PS5 update now supports a native 1440p resolution setting, which means that as long as your PlayStation 5 is up to date with the latest firmware, you can finally set the video output resolution to 1440p for compatible TVs and monitors, which is especially useful for those who already play on a 1440p computer monitor but haven't been able to take advantage of its native resolution until now. So today I'm going to show you how to enable this feature step by step. The first thing you will need is a TV or monitor that supports 1440p at 120Hz over HDMI. You'll want to double check if your output device can in fact handle these specifications, because some monitors only support 1440p at high refresh rates when using a DisplayPort connection. Luckily, the PS5 has a built-in 1440p test option, so you can see exactly which outputs your device supports. Now, to get started, you will need to first make sure that variable refresh rate is disabled if you're going to use the 1440p setting. It's possible that VRR will come to 1440p in the future, but as of the current update, your PS5 will only support 1440p at fixed refresh rates. The next step is to go ahead and select the test 1440p output option, and your PS5 will show exactly which refresh rates are supported and whether or not HDR is available. Assuming that your output device does in fact support 1440p, at this point you can go ahead and switch your resolution settings from automatic to 1440p if desired. And once finished, you can always double check by looking at your PS5's video output settings to confirm your current resolution and refresh rate. But keep in mind that you need to be actively playing a 120Hz compatible game in order for your video output settings to say 1440p 120Hz. If you experience issues with 1440p output on your PS5, you can try disabling FreeSync, VRR, or G-Sync on your monitor, and it should fix the problem. But that's it. Now you know how to enable the 1440p resolution setting on your PlayStation 5. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and found it useful or at least interesting, and if you did, make sure to leave a like rating, comment below to let me know what you think, and as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you guys next video. Peace.